In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to unlock Stan Lee in LEGO Marvel Super Heroes 2. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about the requirement to unlock Stan Lee in LEGO Marvel Super Heroes 2. For this, you will have to complete a certain objective. You will need to complete 50 Stan Lee in Peril missions. So throughout the game, there are going to be a total of 50 Stan Lee in Peril missions. For this video, I cannot cover all of them, but I'm still gonna give you basic information and a general overview on what you have to do to complete them. So there are a total of 50 like I mentioned. 15 are going to be in story levels, so one for each of the 15 levels. 11 are in the bonus levels, and 24 are in the Manhattan Hub. Unlike the ones found in levels, these must be found in a certain order. So all that you have to do is complete all of these. I'm gonna show you some examples. So for the story levels, you have the Sand Central Station, Times Square Off, Exploratory Laboratory, Rock Up and the Lockup, Rebooted, Resuited, and so on. Like I said, because there are 50 missions, I cannot easily cover all of them in this video, but by going over through all of them, you will eventually be able to unlock Stan Lee. This is going to be true for both LEGO Marvel Super Heroes 2 and also the original game. If you are playing LEGO Marvel's Avengers, you will also have to complete these missions in there. There are going to be 35 missions instead, and after you are done with all of the necessary Stan Lee and Peril missions, you will have them unlocked. His powers are going to include every superhero power except flight, and you will be able to use them as you wish as soon as you complete all of the requirements. I hope I was able to help you on how to unlock Stan Lee in LEGO Marvel Super Heroes 2. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.